Atlantic Bluefin Tuna by Sahil Chaudhary. Common names: Atlantic Bluefin Tuna, Giant Bluefin, Maguro, and Toro. The scientific name of the Atlantic bluefin is Thunistinus. Color appearance. An Atlantic bluefin has a show of colors. They have a blue or dark blue top and a silver-white bottom. This is for camouflage from predators. They will sometimes have colorless stripes or spots on their underbelly. They have a reddish-brown hue on their dorsal fins. Shape and size. Shape. Atlantic bluefins are very muscular in appearance. They have a diamond-shaped body. Size. Toro are, on average, 100 to 300 pounds, but if they live long enough, they can extend to 1,000 pounds. On average, they're about 5 feet long, but if not hunted, they can exceed that easily. Preys upon bait fish, such as sardines and anchovies, other tuna, and mackerel. Preyed upon by sharks, certain whales, such as orcas, and humans. Breeding habits. Maguros start breeding at 8 years old. They spawn from April to June. They can lay 10 million eggs in a year, and eggs take 2 days to hatch. Habitat of Atlantic bluefins. There are 2 stocks of Toro, the Gulf stock and the Mediterranean stock. They live in the pelagic, or in other words, the open ocean area. Since they are warm-blooded, they can travel into the colder waters of Iceland or the warm waters of the Gulf of Mexico. Role in the ecosystem. Atlantic bluefins are very important to the ecosystem. They're in the middle of the food chain, serving as both predator and prey. They keep the prey populations balanced by keeping their population at a certain threshold. When they are the prey, they provide food to sustain apex predators. Why are they endangered? They are mainly endangered because of hunting. They are constantly overfished for their meat. Pollution also plays a small role in their endangerment, but it is mostly hunting and overfishing. According to the IUCN Red List, Atlantic bluefin tuna have been endangered since 2011. Rescue attempts. Annual limits have been created to reduce overfishing. A minimum size limit was created to prevent catching the young tuna. It is also prohibited to target them during their spawning season. This ensures that there will be future generations to come. Have these efforts helped? Well, thanks to these protective efforts, the population of the Atlantic bluefin is gradually rising. If this continues, this magnificent fish will be here for years to come. It is truly essential that we try to save this graceful and wonderful fish. First of all, without Atlantic bluefins, the ecosystem will not be balanced, which is bad for all organisms. Second of all, this fish is one of the hardest fighting fish to ever live. It provides great fun for the fishermen who catch and release these fish. Lastly, this fish is magnificent and graceful, a beautiful sight for those who see it. Our vast oceans would feel empty without this diamond of the sea.